Hello everyone. In the previous two videos of this series, we have seen how knowledge bases work and how do they make sure that the relevant information is stored and closer to your AI systems so that you get the information from your business documentation and not the generic information. And in the second video, we saw about the vector embeddings to understand how the words are logically arranged in the vector database. But what happens just 2 seconds before the answer is presented on your screen to the question that you have asked to an AI model? What happens just in those few seconds? It is called RAG, that is Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's not as complex as it sounds. We will understand this with a simple example. Now, if you ask a question to a student, he will answer the question based on its memory and write the answers. But what happens if you give a book to the student of the same subject and ask it to answer the same questions in a better way? I'm sure in the second option you will get a better answer because the student has got the textbook. He or she will quickly retrieve the answers from the textbook and write it in the answer sheets. This is called retrieval of the answer, augmented in its own language and generate the answer to be written in the answer sheets. That's the simple concepts of RAG for you. But what is a big deal about RAG? What if it doesn't happen? Well, AI would still work without it, but then the answers would be too generic or may not be reliable for your businesses. Hence, RAG is useful to cut across all those irrelevant answers that you can get and rely upon the actual information that you have got in the systems for the questions that you have asked, getting the information from the documentation that you have saved. Now, this is not something which you understand as a process or a system to be followed. It is an architectural models. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, is an architectural models which AI follows to answer the questions when a query is prompted to the AI model. That's RAG for you. Remember one line about it. RAG is not what the AI does. It is how the AI application is designed to work. But that is not it. We keep saying that the AI converts text into vectors, numbers that represent meaning. But how? Who does that? Who does that conversion? That's called an embedding model. And without it, RAG would not work. It is a hidden engine underneath everything we have talked about. Look into the next video to understand what is an embedding model and how does it work.